In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how you can use ChatGPT to write VBA codes and automate your Excel work. Let's open ChatGPT first. Here I have given a prompt to ChatGPT that write a VBA code to add 100 Excel sheets, and I am giving you following sample code. ChatGPT wrote the VBA code. I just need to copy that code. After copying that code, I'm in my workbook. I'll go to Developer tab, Code Group, click on Visual Basic, click on Sheet 1 and paste that code here, Control V. Now when I run this code, you will see the magic. You can click F5 or you can directly click this button to run this code. You see, this VBA code has added 100 Excel sheets. So this was brief tutorial about how you can automate your workflow in Excel without writing those long VBA codes and using simple prompts. This was it for this video. In case you find it useful, kindly like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye for now.